In this project, you will train the computer to look for patterns in how your classmates get to school. As an example, for this step-by-step, in order that we can use the machine learning for kids.co.uk. And as I said, you'll test this training by getting the computer to predict how different people travel to school. So let's get started. If this is your first time, then you're going to sign up, and more than likely you're going to have a teacher or the leader of your after-school club create your account for you. I'm going to go back. I'm going to log in, and you'll see the login page come in. My account is ready to go. I'm going to go to my projects, and the project I created, as I mentioned, was Journey to School, and we're going to use 3 values, either by car, walking, or cycling. And this is a numbers-based text training model, right? So let's go back in. I'm going to add a new project. Let's call this Journey to School. Okay, and it's going to recognize numbers, all right? And we're going to add our values. One is going to be age, and it's going to be numbers. Then we're going to add another value. So we're going to add distance, all right? How far you travel, okay? And then we're going to add one more value, which is your friends. Okay, how many friends go with you to your destination, which is school? So let's create. All right, so here we are. And I'm going to go into and then train, right? And we're going to add what they call buckets. So these labels are, in fact, cars. Okay. They're, in fact, by bike or cycle. And one more, by walking. Okay. Now what this looks like all together, as you'll see, is once we train the model, okay, I've created, and then what happens is you add examples. So the values you add are in a car. If you travel by car, what's the age of the participant, the distance they've traveled, and how many friends they've taken. So I've given you 5 samples each of traveling by car, by walking, by cycling. Okay, I'm going to go back to my project. I'm going to learn and test this model. So as it's telling me here, what I've done is 5 examples of car, 5 examples of walking, 5 examples of cycling. Let's put this to the test. So let's create the age of 7. If I've traveled, say, 2 miles, and I have 1 friend, what mode of travel is that? And there it is. It's recognized as a car, okay, with 33% confidence. So you know what? Let's try another age of 4, traveling, say, a mile, and with maybe 0 friends. Let's test that model. That's walking, 100% confidence.